First, let's fix this default position of tab, which is called tab stop. And then in the next video, we will work on case sensitivity problem. Of course, we could swap the names or values, but how if we made many tools or controls here? On each form for elements could be focused like text box or checkbox or command buttons. We have a property name. If I scroll down here, is written tab index. For example, this one it is tab index 5. This one it is 2. Although the labels also have tab index, but by default it does not stop on there. But you will see we have tab stop. If I enable that, actually tab gonna stop on that. So these two not gonna work. And if I run the form and press tab, gonna switch here and then here because this one was disabled. Allow me to type Alex and 1 2 3 login. Okay. Look at here, the first one tab. Actually again tab, 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 tab. Each one has the order. This order is controlled by tab index. So I select my first text box and change the tab index to 1. Automatically 1 will remove and get the latest one. Second one, tab index set to 2. And third one, this button, it is good. 3. And let's say I don't want I agree get any tab. So actually I could disable that. We have tab stop true. I'm gonna set false. Also for this one, for the next button, tab stop false. So if I run the program, allow me to run the form. First make sure it is selected. Now by default it is here. I type Alex, press tab, is going to password 1 2 3, press tab, going login, I select it, and even enable that. Allow me to click again tab, tab. It won't stop on I agree and next, you see, because I disabled them. Again, let me enable that, tab stop true, and tab index start from 0, but we don't want in this case, so 1 2 3, I wanna set 4. And the next one, let's say 5. I think the order has been changed. Okay, 0. That is fine. 1, 2. So let's say 3 and yeah. Finally 4 because we don't have any extra. Now if I run again, allow me to type Alex, tab, 1 2 3, tab, login, tab, now going agree, tab. I actually pressing the spacebar to enabling or action on that and tab next. And it will go again and again. This tab stop is working on many objects on applications and shift tab actually doing the reverse going back.